A lot to digest from the budget, and no doubt a lot more to come from the other speakers in the coming weeks. Now, the government was bullish on its performance in education and the fight against crime in the 2025-2026 legislative year. The two formed a key part in the throne speech delivered on Thursday. But as we found out, the administration has been missing the target with one particular project over the years. Nothing was said about the government's tax plans in the throne speech on Thursday. Instead, the Governor-General Sir Patrick Allen told Jamaicans about the government's other plans for the legislative year.
Reconstruction efforts are advancing at scale, and all priority one institutions will be fully repaired within this calendar year.
Confirmation, too, that the government will go ahead with the plan to secure better electricity supply for Jamaicans when the JPS's all-island license expires in 2027. The government says it will also amend the Dangerous Drugs Act to make it easier for small ganja farmers to get involved in the market. Reminders, too, of the achievements of the previous year, for instance, the reduction in crime.
Since 2023, Jamaica has recorded a sustained and accelerating reduction in homicides, with this momentum continuing into 2026. In January 2026, murders declined by 55% compared with the same period in 2025. The long-held dream of a safer, more peaceful Jamaica is no longer distant. It is steadily becoming a reality that Jamaicans can see and feel.
Roads and other infrastructural projects have also advanced despite the crunch caused by Hurricane Melissa.
By December 2025, the Spark program had reached 20% completion. Major national projects also advanced significantly. The Montego Bay Perimeter Road is 75% complete and scheduled to be